y'all, this is Amanda with She's a Mad Gardener, and today I am going to be building some shelving on my back porch that I can store garden products in and also display plants, pots, decorative items and such. Trying to make an area that can utilize a lot of different aspects for me, but also be beautiful. Also got my first sunburn of the season. Yeah, totally forgot to wear my gardening hat. Got to get back into that as well. Yeah, looking a little red. But anyway, I'm about to head into Home Depot and grab the products I need. And also make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that notification button, and make sure you leave a comment at the end of this video. Okay, these are the specific products that I chose. You can obviously choose products that would work for the similar idea, but basically I was looking for stone. I ended up picking up sets of these that were $3.68 each, and then I ended up going to the lumber area and picking up 2x10x8s of pine wood planks. Everything fit pretty well into my trusty minivan, and so check it out as I begin to clear out the porch.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go.
Okay, y'all, this literally took about 10 minutes, and that included moving the bricks back and forth to put together. So let me give you a side angle. So I had two rows of 3 bricks on the bottom, and then I laid 2 boards. And the boards are 2 inches by 10 inches by 8 feet long. And then I did 2 more bricks at the back with another board on top. Down low, I'm hoping to store bags of soil. On these small little areas, I'm gonna have little pull-out containers of tools. And then on the top row and the front row, I'm going to display different plants, cactus, succulents, whatever I continue to work on at that time. All right, let's get this decorated.
Agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover, agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond
Okay, let me give you a little tour. So over here in the corner, I have my fire pit, a back stock of cans and pots. I use this old wooden trough for all my smaller containers. I thought that worked really good for organizing them. I put my cacti collection over here. I'll have a video coming out pretty soon about how to pot up cacti. I usually start real small, let them grow in. I love filling little bitty pots. Look at these little sweet handmade pots here are just, oh, I just love them to pieces. I've collected them over time. I also stacked some of my additional pots, tucked some back there. This is where I'm going to still store soil down here, which I think will be great. I also have my fertilizer in baskets over here and my cacti soil over here. I made a basket of the tools that I use most frequently. Gloves, clippers, things along those lines. Have my little collection of little portrait head pots, and I've got them. They currently are holding Christmas cacti in there. You can see a bigger one that I put in the corner. I mean, I love it, you guys. I think I have a lot more space. Oh, look at this. I used a sweet little pot and put my marker with all of my little labels in here. I thought that was great to keep everything organized. Yeah, I'm loving it. Super inexpensive. Really came together beautifully. As always, she's a mad gardener or a decorator or anything else that she wants to be. Thanks, y'all.